Hello class, this is Robert Smith coming at you from AOC 2, term 1306, and this is going to be my week 2 reflection video. And this week we were asked to create two UI views, the first one being displaying a calculation for the same stuff that basically, it was supposed to be the same stuff that we did last week, but I ended up having to change my idea a little bit because it wouldn't have worked out. But okay, so what this does is I have iPhone already pressed, so you can't press that anymore. But if you switch this, it says iPad and then iPod. Okay, if you go back to iPhone and you hit calculate available storage, I have a simple some simple arithmetic in the iPhone.m displaying the total gigs, and then I made up photo gigs and app gigs for the iPhone. For the iPod, I made up audio gigs and podcast gigs, and for the iPad, I did video and book gigs. But it's this really simple arithmetic calculation. But if you click the stepper, it'll show up there's two iPhones. You click calculate, it'll say 8, and then the stepper automatically resets itself. So if I were to go to iPad and hit calculate, it goes back down to 1. So this is the calculation for one iPad. And if I were to click the stepper up and hit it again, it would double, obviously. And it works for the iPod as well. And then the colors change down here. Default is light gray, red, yellow, blue. What I could have done better on this project, I had problems with a couple different things this week. The first thing being how to change the colors of the buttons and how to make the buttons look. I have the buttons enabled and disabled. That's how everything pretty much works, but I can't make it look any different. I did some research, but I just couldn't figure it out in time. And the second thing is the biggest deal. My second view doesn't work at all, and I'm getting. This is what my second view should look like. It's not letting me drag any events onto it, even though I have an action set up right here, and it's in the .h file as well. I'm importing the second view into my first view controller, and the code for the second view is info is right here. I don't see any reason it shouldn't work, and I'll show you the incredibly weird error that I'm getting. It is this. When I hit info, it says terminate called throwing an exception and then LLDB in parentheses, and it's showing me this auto release pool in my main.m. I researched this and researched this and researched this, and I can't figure it out. I don't know what is wrong. The only thing I can think of is it might have something to do with, I used a storyboard for my first view controller, and this is an XIB file. But the research that I did on storyboard and XIBs, you should be able to link them just fine as long as you use the init with nibname thing that I used. So I don't know what's wrong with that. But once you hit this info button, the whole app completely crashes, and it won't go to the second view controller. So that's the biggest issue that I had this week. I'll keep looking into it throughout the rest of the night. Hopefully I'll get it figured out before midnight, but I don't think so. I don't know. I just wanted to get the video out the way. Overall, good week. I hope everyone else had a good week, and I will see you guys at the hangout on Monday. Okay, thanks.